So Rachel, welcome to our Malvern East project.
Wow, this is so beautiful. It's warm and inviting and such a lovely family-friendly home.
Yeah, the north face orientation of the home, the landscaping, it's really breathtaking.
And this walkway, where does it lead to?
So this walkway leads to the entry of the home, so let's go take a look. I think this is Australia's best home because what we have here is a home that was built by war veterans after World War II, and we've managed to keep the foundation, the heart and the soul of the home. It's seen many families come and go, and alternatively this is the dream. Welcome to the main bedroom.
This is absolutely beautiful and the natural light in here is absolutely amazing. Tell us a bit more about it.
So basically this bedroom is the only bedroom that actually has stayed the same. So the entire house was stripped back to bare and walls were removed and the whole house has been renovated. Obviously there's been a cosmetic lift in here.
Yes.
But we've managed to keep this part of the bedroom because it was facing on the facade.
I did just walk past the ensuite, so tell us a little bit about that.
So the ensuite was built with an in situ shower. So it's basically all one level. We've used ABI interiors for the tapware, and we've also used Fienza for bathtub.
So tell us, what is your favourite space in the whole house?
So my favourite space personally is the living area.
I'd love to see it.
Let's go have a look.
Perfect.
What I really like about this area is it joins the kitchen, the living and the dining all together and brings a lot of natural light in through the gabled facade. And we've also got a skylight in the kitchen.
As an interior designer, I absolutely love kitchens. It is the heart of the home. Tell us a little bit about the fixtures and fittings that you can find in this space.
The kitchen was originally in the main bathroom to the west of the home, and we just thought that we'd get more space, move it over to this side with the whole design function. The bench top is actually a marble bench top from Valenza G-Lux, and we've also used a ABI tapware and mixers.
Where are we off to next?
So it's a great day for it, so let's go take a look at the outdoor entertainment area. Well, Rachel, welcome to the outdoor entertainment area.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. So we're in the backyard, which is also the front yard. Tell us a little bit about this unusual space and why you decided to do this here.
I think what the client was trying to achieve with this was to join the entertaining area to the kitchen. By having these doors open up, it's really created flow through the house. The clients love to use this area with the family, having the outdoor entertainment area so the kids can play out here and also entertain with family and friends.
Well, Adrian, thank you so much for having us here today. We've absolutely loved every second of it and wish you well for everything coming up.
Thank you very much, and thanks for having me.
What a brilliant renovation on this post-war modern home in Malvern East. It's open plan living, it's family friendly, and it's so warm and inviting. What's not to love?